Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. It is a little after 6 a.m. on this Monday morning, and I've got my product ready and out and about to go down. And the fertilizer that I had, this is the last bag that I had, and it's gonna work perfect. It's the Lesco Professional Turf Fertilizer. It's a 15-5-10. I'll show you. And it is 0.8 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Doing the calculations for my nitrogen, I'm throwing down just about 11 pounds, 10.7, so I round up to 11 pounds of the Lesco Professional Turf Fertilizer here in the front for my 2,000 square feet. On the back, it just worked out perfect. It's 16 pounds. So what I'm going to be throwing down after that is some Humic, Air8, RGS, and Microgreen. On top of that, I'm throwing down some Super Juice, which is gonna boost my lawn, but it's a good supplement, so that's what I'm throwing down as well too, guys. So. Alright guys, so there's the fertilizer throwdown. Spreader setting my Speedy Green 3000 at a 6.5. And that was perfect for the front yard. Now, let's get to mixing and throwing down the good stuff. My bio-stimulant pack. Let's do it. Hope you got all that. I'm about to spray. You guys want to watch? Let's do it. Alright guys, so that was the RGS, Humic, and the Air8 going down in the front. Perfect, as always. But now it's time for Microgreen, so let's spray it down. Alright everybody, just got done spraying the Microgreen. That has an iron smell and almost taste to it that Yeah. But I'm about to throw down my super juice. I'm about to mix it up, or at least spin it up, get it all mixed around. And I gotta spray this down because it is almost 7, and that gives me an hour. And I gotta do the back. So with the bio pack, I'm throwing back in my Ortho dial spray, get it out there a little bit quicker. May not be as uniform coverage as the front yard, but it'll have to do. But look at the domination line that my neighbors got me on. Pretty sickening, but that's okay. Let me get to this and watch me work. All right, so there is the super juice down in the front. Excuse me. And you can tell the products in the apps until I put something down. But it's got a different sheen to it this morning. But just walking around, throwing down my apps, I can see the green already coming through, guys. So I need to hurry up. It's past 7. I need to get to the backyard. All right, guys, so I got the front yard getting watered right now. In an hour, I'll move it to a different location. Front yard will be done by 8. Moving on to the back, folks. And, about to throw down the rest of the spray wash. Whew, turning and burning on that one, guys. That was a workout in the morning, but all right, got my fertilizer down. About to throw down the rest of the RGS, rest of Air8, and the rest of Humic12. Trying to think, guys. But yeah, and then Microgreen will go after that. But let's get to the good stuff first. Guys, I'm about to run out of juice, but I'm spraying my microgreen right now, and then after that, super juice. But you've seen that before, you know what it's all about. So if I lose you, that's all right. I'm gonna say goodbye right now. See you later.